Hey everyone, Chad Wehrs, Wehrs Machine and Racing Products with a product technical video for you. We're getting a lot of questions about off-season maintenance and when you're installing your new suspension cages on the axle tube. So a lot of teams have problems with the bearings rusting to the axle tube. So we're getting some questions on how to eliminate that. And the problem basically starts with your pressure washer. All suspension cages are held in place by a clamp ring, and the clamp ring has a split in it. So if the pressure washer guy is pointing the pressure washer towards the split, you're going to get water in between the race of the bearing and the axle tube. What we recommend when you're installing your cages on your axle tube is to use a non-synthetic wheel bearing grease as a water barrier between the race of the bearing and the axle tube. When you're done pressure washing the car, you should always blow the excess water away from the cages, whether it's the shock mounts, your shocks. Never blow the pressure towards a shock seal, a slider seal, or your suspension cage bearings. Thanks for watching today's tech video. As always, find us online at wehrsmachine.com, ultraforcetech.com, and the new CircleTrackApp.com, or give us a call, 608-486-4343. Thank you.